All right, I thought I'd do something different today. I was at the Blade Show West yesterday, and the one thing that really caught my eye was the new Leatherman Free, so I'm going to do an unboxing of it and see how much fun that is. I really like this new tool. It's got a lot of the Leatherman features I really appreciate in my current Leatherman, which is a rebar. It's got the removable jaws so that you can replace them if you do a whole bunch of heavy wire cutting. But the really cool thing about this one is it's got magnetic architecture to hold the thing open and closed. I'll show you that in a minute. And then it's set up so that the tools are all on the outside and you can open them one-handed. So this is essentially a completely one-handed Leatherman tool, which is new and different and exciting. And so I had to have one, and you're going to see what it's like to unbox it. Okay, so got this little card here. Got the guarantee. Mind you, it's made in Portland. Telling you how to get to the tools. And here's the thing itself. It comes with this handy belt pouch. I'm probably going to make my own leather belt pouch for it, but this is pretty nice, actually, overall. And here is the thing itself. There's nothing else in here. Yep, so pretty simple. But what's really cool is it more or less acts like a balisong. I think that's pretty amazing. Right, so you get your Leatherman. If you want to close it, it's been possible for a while to close them one-handed, but see, you can pop it, and then it takes some practice to get good at this. One-handed. And it can manage to do that because it has magnets in the hinge that hold it open and closed. So it's closed, you can feel the magnets here, and then free swinging, but then when it gets into this position, it snaps in place with a spring, and that seems to be what holds it together. So comes the pocket clip. I'm probably going to pull that up. And the tools are all accessible one-handed as well. So you can just fan them out and then choose what you want. We got bottle opener, flat-headed and Phillips little screwdriver. Get a little ruler. And a file. And this is your release here. It's all one-handed. On this side, you've got combo flat and serrated blade. And two more tools. You got the Phillips with bottle opener and up here the nice big flathead. So that'll get you most of the way. And then you've got needle nose, pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, and then you've even got the crimping tool on the back end. And then the last thing, this is pretty cool, is it's designed so that you can use the forward end as an impact tool, so as a hammer, without scarring it up too much because this is hardened here. So there you have it. I'm not going to get over that anytime soon. See? I've been using the rebar for years. You can kind of do that with the rebar. It's not easy. Maybe if I practiced it. You can close it one-handed. Usually I shove it on something to get it closed. So you can see it's approximately the same size as the rebar. New Leatherman Free P2. Made in the USA. Good job, Leatherman. I forgot one thing. It also has scissors. Which is an improvement over the rebar.